Hi, I'm Katie from What Katie Did, and this week we were going to take you behind the scenes and show you what happens at What Katie Did HQ. And I've been wanting to decorate for many years now, and I've finally got around to do it. But of course I've only done one small area, which is this area, and I can't really show you the rest because it makes the rest look rather unglamorous. So I'm going to show you bits and pieces, and as we decorate the rest of the warehouse I'll show you the rest. But this is basically where it all happens. This is where all our retail mail order in the UK is shipped from. When I say the UK, I mean the UK and the rest of the world. We have a similar setup in the US where all our US orders are shipped. But here is our little packing room in Pangbourne in Berkshire, and I'll show you around quickly. We wrap everything in tissue because we want everything to be, you know, like a little gift when you receive it. And I can remember when I was a teenager, I used to shop from a company called Cosmetics to Go, and they used to pack everything beautifully, and you used to get a stick of rock in with your orders. And if you're overseas, a stick of rock is a type of candy you get at the seaside in the UK. And unfortunately they went under, but they came back to become Lush, and I always remember how beautifully everything was packed. And even though I didn't have very much money at the time, I still buy from Lush now. So that is kind of where we're going. What Katie did is, if you might only be able to afford to buy a pair of stockings now, but that pair of stockings to you, if you don't have very much money, is just as important as buying a corset to someone else. So we try and make sure it's wrapped all nicely. So we've got our tissue paper. Our white tissue is recycled. The black isn't at the moment because we tried black and we found that the dye rubbed off. We've got our little magazines to put in if you're a new customer, and we've got our little postcards as well, and our What Katie Did ribbon. And moving around, we've got our framed images from our press around the top. And over the other side, I've got my padded cell. This is my padded cell area, which is wallpaper. And I was painting this area, and painting is really hard work. So I thought I'd try and give wallpapering a go. And this is wallpaper we had left over from one of our shoots. So I used it here because I thought it went well with the pink. And over here is where Becky answers all your customer service questions. So if you email us, Becky will be answering from this computer here. She'll be packing your order where I was a minute ago, and she's actually out in the warehouse at the moment picking your orders. So we only have one person who packs, picks and does customer service for all our retail orders. If you contact us by live chat, which is our Facebook Messenger, which is on our website, and also via Facebook, then that'll be answered by Jenny, who's sitting upstairs on the next floor, or sometimes at the weekends I dip in and answer questions at the weekend. And these I picked up at a charity store a few years ago, and I've been desperate to use them somewhere, and I thought they look fantastic here to use them for pen pots, and apparently everyone is kind of in two minds about it. So I've just been told maybe they want to use them as plant pots, so I might try and find a plant to go in there. But I've got two of them, and I think they'd look really nice in this office and make it look really glam.
Okay.
If you have any questions about What Katie Did, please get in touch.